I told you, they are relying on motion. So if it's not moving, they want you to know it's there. And you see when they eat, they lift it up so they can open their jaws. See, when we're feeding here, we need 2 or 3 for over 500 crocodiles. It's still not enough, once or twice in a month. So when crocodiles are eating, they are changing turns. If I'm eating today, tomorrow I'm not eating. Let somebody else come forward and eat. They are not as great as politicians. Just goes and eat each and every day. Here they only eat when they need to. So I'm not saying because they were eating their food, you can swim with them. They're still gonna bite you as a threat. Then they're gonna let you float, or they're gonna take you and hide you somewhere. So when they are hungry, they can still come back and eat you. Those other ones, you see, they're not even moving. The ones they are not hungry.